I am going to use QuickTime. So if you go to Launchpad, just type in QuickTime if you don't see it. There it is. So this is very important. When you go up to the top left corner, you want to make sure you click on the 4 link. Go to File, Screen Recording. You're going to get this window here with this little camera. You want to make sure your options, you want to select the full screen. So you can do this, entire screen, or select it. So I can do selected portion. So I'm going to select, actually I'm going to select the whole screen. So when I blow this up here, it's ready to record. So right now it is recording because this little button up here tells me that. So that's the video there. So I'm going to do this a little slower. I am going to start my iMovie first. My QuickTime first. New screen recording. I want to record the whole screen. I'm going to click the record button. And then I'm going to expand this here by clicking on these arrows.
There's 6 of them. You getting this, Mila? Come quick.
And then I'm going to expand this here by clicking on these arrows.
There's 6 of them. You getting this, Mila? Come quick.
And then I'm going to expand this here by clicking on these arrows.
There's 6 of them. You getting this, Mila? Come quick.
So what you can do is you can grab each video one at a time and do it. Delete these other ones. So if I hold on my shift key, hit delete, just want that video there. So I would go to, move this out the way. I would go to iMovie, make sure that's ready. Click on my QuickTime, bring that up. Once you record, you can name it. I'll click on the drop down box. I'm just gonna say video 1. Can't spell. Save it to my desktop. And then I'm gonna do a new one. I'm gonna close this one out. New screen recording. And entire screen. Hit record. Expand. That's as long as that video. Push the stop on my screen. Recording here. Escape. Bring this back out. Hit escape. Minimize this. The video is right here. So all I gotta do now is I can edit from here. It's my playback speed here. I can share right on YouTube right there. So I'm just gonna play this a little bit to trim it. I can cut it right about there. Then you can go up here where it says edit, and you can split screen, which is Command Y. Why, I don't know, but click that. It's going to cut the screen down here. And I can take that little piece and delete it. And then I can push play. Once I'm done with the edit, I just hit done. And then I can actually share, export to YouTube from there. And if you sign into your YouTube account, you can link it that way and sign into it. See, I would have to do this, request it and all that. But the other way of doing it too is when you hit this, you can actually just upload it. Let me save this one real quick. Give it a title. When I close this, it should ask me to name it. Here it is. Video 2. I'm going to save this to the desktop. Where's my desktop? Oh, actually, I can just save it and open this up. And I can get to my desktop that way. Right down there. I'm going to save it. And I can just go on Safari, upload YouTube.